afternoon, guys. I hope you're all okay. I'm taking a day off work today. The weather is great. It's really nice. Fairly mild. And I'm having a ride down to CC's because I've heard a horrible rumour that the whole place is closing down. And I just want to go and check out for myself to see if it's true or not. One of the other cafes downtown has closed. I've heard a vicious rumour that this one's closing as well, so just want to go and check it out. It'll be really disappointing if it is. And I do appreciate they won't have much motorcycle traffic during the fall, the autumn and the winter, but there's a little college close by called George Fox, and that has tons of students, so hopefully they have enough business for CC's to keep them going during the off season. Oh, it feels great to ride again. Got one of these little things on the handlebar, throttles. It's helpful, very helpful. Thank you, George, he gave this to me. And because the throttle's real heavy on this bike, and I know I need to do some work on it. I'm thinking about putting some of those stainless elbows right where the cable goes into the carburetors, just to smooth things out. It's also got the splitter this has also got the two cables as well, which I thought would be easier, but it isn't. It's got to route the cables under the oil tank, which is a little bit of a strain for the cables. Is purring along at what, 40, 50? It's just the same. It's almost like it's just idling. It's so great. Plus I'm going downhill. These Vincents, they handle surprisingly well. I'm not a fast rider. Some of the guys in the club can handle them like nobody's business, but yeah, surprisingly how nimble it is in corners. To say it's sort of a sit up and beg riding position. I think, like most of the bikes, third gear is the gear. I love third gear. It's kind of like a power gear to get you up there. So the sun came out today at long last. We've had lots and lots of rain just recently. Well, thanks as always guys for your comments on the Bonneville. It's coming on really well. I've just hit a bit of a roadblock that I'm hoping to fix soon. And then I'll get back to some riding as well, more riding, and then more events coming up as well. Hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. Well, would you believe it, we're only halfway through January and I'm riding again. It's great. We've already solidified some of the events for the year with the club, and specifically a couple of garage crawls that I hope you will enjoy. Some really nice visits planned, so looking forward to that. Well, I guess I'm not going left. Okay, let's see if this vicious rumour is true. Oh boy. Doesn't look very promising, does it? Well, what a shame. This was a very nice place. I can't believe it's closed. Surely there was enough local little business to keep them going. Yep. They've left the donuts and everything. This looks like it's just happened, doesn't it? That's a BSA tank. And that looks like a Veta type fairing. Well, well, well. Well, that's a total bummer. We're going to have to find somewhere else to ride to now, guys. Well, I did say that we needed to ride a little further than CC's this year. So, let me know if you know of anywhere around here that we can ride to. That's a nice, reasonable country type ride, not through the city. Can't stand the city. But let us know. This is it. Well, I'm a bit stunned, as you can tell. Oh goodness, that's a shame. I feel so sorry for the owners. It can't be easy having a business these days. In this environment and this economy, it's rough. It's all out of whack at the moment, isn't it? So, I wish them well. So there's 2 CCs left now in the Empire. There's one, the original one on Sandy, and then there's the most recent one in Beaverton. So hopefully they do okay. Well, shifting gears, I am going to try and put the Manxman on the bench again after the Bonneville. I know I've been promising that for years now, and there's still another bike I need to work on, and that's my Comet. I kind of took it apart, cannibalised that Comet for this bike, and I've not got back to it, so I've got to work on that. It's sitting in the garage looking very sorry for itself. The mudguards, the tank, and a few other little bits and bobs are on this bike. Before, but it's way better going up than it is down. Oh, awesome. That's that third gear again, it pulls like a train, I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed these few clips. Sorry about the disappointment with CCs, but it's good to know, and we'll be on the lookout for other places in 2023. So hope you all have a good week, and I'll speak to you again soon. Alright, see you guys. sea there. Like to come here because it's got a great view. Not bad for mid-January, huh?